Hi, Gordon of RRR Tool Solutions here with my brand new modular Moto wrench tool set. Today I want to demonstrate the power and strength of my new modular tool system. I will be demonstrating both ends of the hand wrenches with and without the handle extension along with the breaker bar configuration. As you see, 153 foot-pounds of torque was exerted on the bolt. The wrench head, the wrench itself, and the extension. I'm going to ask for help for my 16-inch extension, and we're going to go. As you see here, I took that through 102.1 pounds of torque. That would be plenty for any spark plug wrench that you have or anything like that, any required socket. And I want to demonstrate here that there's no damage to the driver, the adapter, no damage to the insert, no damage to the wrench, and no damage to the handle.